Forex trader, it's me Lumibanks here with another Forex episode analyzing the next update or the next move in the market, but this time around predicting the fall of the US economy. That's the US dollar. In the financial market, in the Forex market, we call it the dollar index. So the dollar index is the reflection of the US dollar, of what's happening in the US economy. So this video is not intended to be long. This video is planned to last 5-6 minutes and it's going to be info packed. Please stay tuned. I am Lumibanks. Please subscribe, like this video, and turn on video notifications so you can watch consequent video, and please like. Okay, this is the weekly time frame on the dollar index, and we are seeing that for the most part of since 2023, actually the market has been stalling, means consolidating, and there is a move that I've been expecting, and before this market go into consolidation, right? We saw a sharp move down from 2022, October 2022, and then dropped to January 2023, and since then market has been consolidating, and I think it's time that this drastic movement happen, and this is a movement that's going to last probably a year to 2-3 years, who knows, because it's really a big crash. Now the euro is at advantage. If you're a forex trader, if you like to trade the bull markets or the uptrend market, you can focus on euro USD, because dollar index with what I'm seeing here, you're gonna find out if you're a trader. You may not, it won't start happening right away, but I think we are on already. You just want to watch out, because if you don't know, you may be so you won't be unaware when you see it happening, and it won't catch you by surprise. You won't be busy and looking for something else in the financial market. So the dollar index, first of all, I like to establish that there has been global recession. Even before the time of COVID-19, there has been global recession, but maybe certain parts of the world are not experiencing it already, but there has been global recession before COVID-19, and COVID-19 came, and then it just worsened a whole lot of things and created certain distribution in the financial world, and it's happening lately too. We saw just last week, recent crash in the crypto market and the stock market, and a lot has been happening in the financial world lately, seriously. And as a financial enthusiast, you want to be on the good side. You really want to be on the good side, because there will be redistribution. When certain markets is dropping, investor tends to move to other assets that are safe haven, and keep if they can't make so much money, they want to safeguard their capital, in essence, so that the next opportunity they are able to jump into it. And then dollar index, let's just move right into the I think I should just talk about it step by step. This is weekly time frame, right? It's 3 minutes already. Okay, this is weekly time frame, and we see that market has been, lately it's been consolidating. And let's move to the monthly time frame. Look at this. Market has been in upward move, and if you are not zooming out, rather, to see a whole lot of information, you are going to think this market is a very, 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 very fantastic uptrend, where you want to keep buying, and you just want this to drop a little bit and start buying. Let's do this. Okay, still on the monthly time frame, I'm even able to see certain things, yeah, but that's not what I want to do, because I would have spent time analyzing months and time frame by time frame, but we don't want to spend that time here. This is the 3 months time frame, and this is what I'm seeing on the dollar index. You can see that this is 1984, right? Before I was born, before some of some people watching this video right now were born. You get, the markets had a fantastic drop, and I didn't know. I don't know yet the event that happened. Maybe I'll go and make my research. Yeah, I'll go and make my way. I'll really go and do that. 1985, we see this market crash up to 1988, and yeah, 2002. Yeah, I was still a kid, and I don't know the event that crashed the market this much to 2008. You get, and consolidation till, yeah, and a market that has been, that is historically on this kind of move. I wish we can see more information, but this is good enough for even big investors to be able to you know know what is going on, right? And I just think it's about to happen again. It's about to happen with what is been happening in our world. Remember, like I said, there has been global recession before COVID-19, right? Maybe market has just been warming up for this kind of movements that happen. History is, about to repeat itself most probably. You can see, as a trader, we know that, okay, series of lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows is downtrend. It means downtrend, and we see candlestick formation here and candlestick formations here that drop the market. It happens around the year 2016, but the market didn't really drop. Instead, we have a two lows here, which is like a equal low, you know. And with my experience, I know that, and when market create this kind of formation, the next move is to raid this equal low, liquidate it. It's going to liquidate it, and if it liquidates it, most probably the next drop will be around this zone, around the 82-point zone on the dollar index. Let me put an highlighter there, let me put a mark there, around this zone. So for investor, if you are selling already, a long-term investor, I mean, if you are selling already, you are looking to get into this zone, or most probably, get to this place where the market will most probably drop into. That is it for dollar index. And the candlesticks formation that sponsor this. Now I'm not talking about fundamental. I could, if I start that, we'll be talking about if event after event that has been happening, that uh, tallies with this technical moves here. But let's just discuss technical here. This is a tweezer right here, right? On the 3 months time frame, these two candlesticks here takes 6 months to form, and afterwards market has been stalling, and it's just like this place, market stalls around here. I don't know, maybe, it's necessary. I was expecting that, okay, we go up a bit, and I think it already does that here. Yeah, but most importantly, when I look at the weekly time frame and the monthly time frame, it really tells me story that, okay, this thing really wants to drop. When I look at the weekly, and in fact, for the most part of last year, I've been anticipating that, okay, this market is going to drop, this market is going to drop. First, the other block around here, right, where new orders were created, sell, and another one here. And I just think, okay, we are heading for this low first on the weekly time frame, and then the long term move is here to me, downtrend. So that is that for the dollar index analysis. And for euro USD is just the opposite. Euro USD is just the opposite, and we can see what's happening here. This has been moving upside, and look at this series of higher lows, higher lows here, and I think we are heading up again. There is another bull run coming, bullish move, you know, in the euro USD markets right now. Look at this, up, down, and a big up, down, big up, and down, another big up. right? So it's just a simple analysis. You can narrow it down, as a trader, yeah. But one thing, or one of the most important thing I will like to end this video with is, now where is the money moving to? Because uh still, as a trader, if you are a full-time trader, of course you can keep trading, you know how to do your thing, right? But as investor, where is the money moving into when we have economy unrest, global unrest? Where is the money moving into? And first safe haven assets, like we all know, is the gold. There are JPY assets to the Japan, but I'm not talking about that here. The gold has high potential. I'll be making another video about that. I don't intend to make this long at all. And I see the silver too. I see what the silver is doing. The silver market has high potential as well. And if you like to catch, if you like to catch them while they are very low, silver is a great one, right? Silver is a very great one. I have analysis and bias on silver already to buy. Yeah, so silver is a very great one, and gold as well. And cryptocurrency, right? Eyes everywhere. I think, my mentor discussed certain things, and we are yet to even still talk. And he was like, okay, eyes will be on crypto markets if all this start happening, right? Eyes is gonna be so much on the crypto market. But take a look at what is about to happen in the next 3 months or so. We are in August. By November, the US election we hold, and most probably, let me not say that, should Donald Trump win this election, it's a good news for the crypto world. It's a good news for the crypto world because the um, Trump is a supporter of cryptocurrency, right? So Donald Trump is a supporter of cryptocurrency, and according to a news source, we see that Donald Trump campaign has raised US dollar 25 million, that's 19.6 million euro from the sector since it started accepting cryptocurrency donation in May, and it's expected to receive more following the events in Nashville. So is there it's there's a lot of optimism for positivity in the crypto space should Trump win this 2024 election. And you know it's gonna be bull run there. That's for investor, and that's the only thing I can say now. There are stocks too. There are ones crashing, there are ones going up. I can't be detailing all this here. So this is it for this video. If you learn a new thing or you discover something new, please let me know in the comment section. And what are the instruments? What are you thinking about in the comment section? Share with me. Let's rub mind. Until next time, I remain Lumibanks.